Hey people, so as of yesterday, I was watching this particular movie on Amazon Prime called Aditya Varma. I mean, like basically, it is the Tamil remake of the film Arjun Reddy, which is which was also remade into Hindi as Kabir Singh. I mean, seriously, see, I have to now sound very politically correct and say, "Oh my God, what a fabulous film!" But really, I mean, yeah, movies like this, they they kind of influence society in such a wrong way. Yeah, I mean, like honestly, for me, the best part about the film was just Banita Sandhu. Uh, who that's what we've seen her in this Hindi movie with Varun Dhawan also, right? So but otherwise, Aditya Varma, the film is like that's a toxic masculinity. Yeah, in fact, it's not even masculinity, whatever that word is, because it's so wrong. I mean, that's what Arjun Reddy fans may not like all this, but it's my honest opinion. Yeah, seriously. And it's a frame to frame copy of Arjun Reddy. So try and watch it, people. It's on Amazon Prime. If you have like a lot of time on your hands, which these days most of us do, you can watch this film. Yeah. So Aditya Varma it is, and it's on Amazon Prime. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.